Welcome to this quick demo. I will show you how to build a complete website under the 1 minute. So using the Bolt AI tools. So first of all, you have to open your Bolt AI website, and then this tool will let you to create the fully functional website instantly without any writing a single line of code. So before generating a site, I will quickly create a high quality prompt using another LLM models. So use a clean details prompt which I can use simply in the Bolt AI. In few seconds, Bolt will create a complete layout with the page, navigations, text, image, and beautiful responsive design. Everything is automatically built for you. So you can tweet anything, edit text, changes image, adjust anything, all of the simple click, no coding, no complexity. So once you're happy with the design, you can preview your site, export it instantly, and your website is ready to launch. Fast, simple, and powerful. Thank you.